Whether your dental restoration business requires standard milling or a wet milling workflow, Roland DG has the solution that's right for you with the DWX-4W wet mill and DWX-51D dental mill. The DWX-51D has been completely redesigned for your business, delivering effortless precision milling of popular restoration materials with the highest quality results. User-friendly operation and a host of advanced features allow for efficient, clean, and profitable production. Built to last, the DWX-51D provides ease of use, reliability, and quality for the most demanding of labs or those just getting into digital milling. Meanwhile, the DWX-4W wet mills glass ceramics and composite resin dental restorations, combining precision performance with user-friendly operation. Quick, easy, and efficient setup and use ensure that your business never has to stop or slow down. The DWX-4W combines unbeatable performance with legendary Roland DG reliability to make easy work of the latest wet mill materials. For the most flexible and time-saving wet and dry milling solution, use the 51D and 4W together and maximize your productivity and profits. Dental milling has been redesigned with the smarter, easier, and more efficient than ever DWX series from Roland DG.